We are asked to find s minus y if 4 raised to power s is equals to y, 1, and 7 raised to power y is equals to 343. Now, we have 4 raised to power s is equals to 1, and 7 raised to power y should be equals to 347. So, for us to get the value of our s and y, if we'll be able to equate the both sides, whereby both sides we have the same base, then if both sides have the same base, we're able to equate the powers. So now, looking at 4 raised to power s is equals to 1, what will we do so that both of them will have the same base? Now, remember that 4 raised to power 0 is the same, is equals to 1, right? So, 4 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So, therefore, we now have 4s raised to power s is equals to 4 raised to power 0, right? So now, remember the law of physicists that says, whenever you have the same base, you equate the powers. So if you equate the powers now, we have s to be equals to 0. So the same thing here, we have 7 raised to power y to be equals to 243. Remember, 243 is the same thing as 7 multiply 7 multiply 7, which is equals to 7 raised to power 3, right? So therefore, we now have 7 raised to power y to be equals to 7 raised to power 3. And whenever we have the same base, we equate the powers. So if we equate the powers here, we now have y to be equals to 3. So we've gotten the value of our s and y. But the question says find s minus y. Therefore, our s minus y will now be s is 0 minus y. And y is 3. Therefore, our answer will now be negative 3.